Today we're going to play a 3D bowling game. This is for your cell phone. You can play it on Android and you can have one for the Apple also. It's free, but it'll have some ads with it, so here we go. Okay, let's find the icon. There it is. Click on that and it'll load the game. I think this company is EIVAA or something. Whoop, there's an ad. We'll just X out of that. Let's see what we got here. Pass and play. Oh, 2, 3, and 4 players. Versus CPU. That's just against the computer, so we don't want to do that one right now. How about a single player game? There we go. Let's don't start the game just yet. Let's go look at some of the things. There you can turn the different sounds up and down. High scores. That BWC is me, by the way. Alright, let's do a single player game. Start the game. Uh-oh, there's your ad, so just exit out. Just close it. Move the ball over. Now you can guide this ball as it goes down the lane. That's what makes it so fun. There it goes. See how I can move it around a little bit? Strike! Changes the ball each time too, see there? Move it around a little bit. Right there. Oops, I'll move that and see you move it over. Right in the pocket. Score up above there. See, that's 4 in a row. Ooh, all right, 5 in a row. Got it in. 6 in a row. Move it around a little bit. Oh, got tapped with a 7 pin. Then went my 300 game. Be sure we spare. There you go. Put that ball anywhere you want. Well, I almost threw that one in the gutter, didn't I? Better get it back in there. One more strike for a 279. There it is. New high game, 279. Close your ad there. There I am, 279. We'll rate it later. Look at the high scores. There I am. Alright, that's it for this game. We'll go back to the phone. You don't have this game downloaded. It's free and fun.